So I've got a MPF102 preamplifier here with 207,000 main amplifier for RF, and just figured out, got a broken probe here. So you'll see if I put the probe onto the 1 kHz test signal, the purple line, nothing happens. But you can see got pretty good amplification, although it is quite a messy signal, running at about 12 volts. And yeah, we've got a little circuit there. Been working on some stuff with RF, but yeah, I'm really disappointed. The probe just doesn't work anymore. It does seem like it's kind of connected, but I don't know, there's something wrong with it. So if any of you guys know what's wrong with it, set to the times one. I don't know. So thanks for watching.